Pink skin, hello?
Oh.
Everything inside this case I don't really give a shit about except the butterfly knife. Maybe the water elemental block. Yeah.
Except the butterfly knife.
Except that's what I want. That's the reason why I have this case. Look at all these good skins I can get. Probably gonna end up with a piece of shit.
Get the
All the
MP7
all the
Urban
skins you
Hazard.
could get but are not going to get.
All these I don't want a negative desert strike because that looks ugly. I don't want a P2K because I already have that. Or the Labyrinth. I'm okay with the MP7 and the SSG.
Asking guys are coming back, if not we're gonna start.
Who?
The Coach Ditka guy. Oh. Alright, he said just start. Alright.
Hold on, I'm opening.
It's fucking... Yo, William, he said he got something to do. What the fuck are you doing?
He's what?
He has something to do.
Oh! Fuck it! Fuck my life! Ah! Case hardened! Fuck! Ah! Ah! No way! No fucking way! Ah!
He missed the knife by one slot?
No, I got it! Be affected! Check my inventory right now!
But how do you check the inventory? What the hell?
Brian, mute him for a second. Brian, mute him, please. Oh, he got it. Butterfly knife case hardened. Field tested.
But where? How do you check?
Inventory, don't worry about it. I just checked it. He had a butterfly knife case hardened.
Hold on, I have to sit down. What is... Thank you, Gavin. Oh, fuck, my head hurts.
Oh shit, he got it.
Says, oh shit, he got it after.
I got it on record, too. I got this on YouTube!
Yo, nice.
My head hurts.
My ears hurt.
Should I open the other case or should I sell it?
I don't know.
Give it to me.
I'm gonna open it. Gotta unplug it.
Nah, he's not gonna.